Never forcefully twist your neck to fix that morning stiffness. Seriously, just stop. You basically have two extremely fragile tubes, your vertebral arteries, laced directly through your upper spine. When you aggressively whip your head around to force a loud pop, you're overstretching them. Do it too hard, and you can actually tear the inner lining of those vessels. It's kind of terrifying. Blood pools inside that tiny tear and forms a clot. If that clot breaks loose, it can shoot straight up into your brain and trigger a massive stroke. Confess down in the comments if you're guilty of doing this. Just stick to gentle stretches today and keep your head on straight.